The Osmo Coding Starter Kit is an engaging educational tool that introduces children aged 5 to 10 to the fundamentals of coding through interactive games. The kit includes 3 games, Coding Awbie, Coding Jam, and Coding Duo, each offering a unique, hands-on experience that enhances problem-solving skills, creativity, and understanding of coding concepts. With the use of physical coding blocks, children can control a character, create music, and solve advanced puzzles, fostering teamwork and strategic thinking. The kit is compatible with most recent iPad models and select iPhone models and includes an Osmo Base and Reflector, 31 tangible coding blocks, and stackable storage for game pieces. Used in over 40,000 classrooms and approved by parents and teachers worldwide, the Osmo Coding Starter Kit is not just a toy, but a powerful learning tool. Priced at $65, the kit offers excellent value, as evidenced by its high review score of 4.6 and over 3,150 reviews.